Alpha. So today I get one gadget when I want review. I don't charge all my gadgets, I don't prepare. But I don't ready to come out now. My brain don't dey lazy. You know they tell me say instead of me to go do this video, because I want go shoot video for outside. Say instead of me to do this video, why I not just dey update one or two things for Facebook, or update one flyer when I dey design, or better still, why not just complete one book when I dey write, just work on that book instead of me to go outside. So I could tell myself say, but the reason why I really come out today na to do that video, so I'll feel review the gadget. But now my brain don't they won't trick me to do something simpler. Now the reason why I dey make this video be say, as a creative or as a creative person, once in a while you go to find out say your brain go to trick you. You go to make you feel as if say, man, instead of you to do this thing, why not just relax? You want to make you do that comfort zone. And don't forget say comfort zone not they bring money. You need to do one or two things, to activate your lock, which is your lock from motion. Because if you sit down, they say carry waka better pass sit down house. Who they carry waka, they jam people. If you just meet one guy, we just link you to one or two persons. From there, you fit pick up. But if you dey house, that guy who you supposed to meet, you not go meet him. So your destiny, now that they call your destiny, they your hand. Fine. The fact say before I believe, may I be a proponent of people who believe say before you come this life, you get stars where they give you. You get your own gift, But some other decisions where you go make while you dey here will affect your destiny. Like for instance, if you be content creator, instead of you to make move, you decide to say may you just sit down and may you shield, you tired today. Now if something there your timeline was supposed to happen today and you not go out go meet the thing, now your luck, except say that thing they very important for your timeline, then nature gets a way to force you to go outside. But if that thing not today important, now just one or two things for you to step on, nature not force you go outside. If you not force yourself, you don't miss them. Now that they call your destiny in your hand. The things of man not go deep, more talk about content. So my point be say, instead of you today day relax when your brain they tell you say, man, I don't tire enough you do this thing, because you don't give them a list of tasks where you want to accomplish a day for the day. Now your brain will likely choose the simplest one. You go want me you start with the simple one first. Those one will be say you just do back. Then when you don't tire, you can say, I bet this one too hard, I'll do them tomorrow. Now your brain don't achieve what it's supposed to achieve as a brain. But if you train yourself in the way whereby say to do the most difficult tasks, now go make you accomplish all your tasks. You find out say instead of you to start up with that simple task, you say no, I'll start up with the difficult one. Even if you not finish the difficult one, at least say you don't do them halfway. When you don't tire, you go do the simple one. Now if you don't accomplish the simple one, you might still get a little bit of energy based on say you don't accomplish some of the simple tasks. Now your brain will be a little bit happy. Will give you more energy to accomplish that. That's the most difficult one when you leave halfway. So all this cognitive overload, you get the way you take the handle them, your brain will work with you rather than work against you. So I don't know whether this video makes sense. So I know, so every nonsense there is a sense. If you feel say that nonsense I talk, scan through the video again, pick the sense within inside, throw away the nonsense. So I'll talk to you on the next one. I'll go shoot my video. Shares now, have a good one.